chicken is delicious. You see it?
Yummy in my tummy.
Today we're gonna make chicken nuggets homemade. First we have chicken and no skin, no bones. And we'll cut it now.
Now we cut the chicken into chicken nuggets. Egg and corn flour.
Breadcrumbs. And soy sauce.
What's this one?
Corn flour.
What's this one?
Soy sauce.
Celery salt. What's this one?
Breadcrumbs.
What's this one?
Egg.
Okay, let's beat those eggs.
Now we can mix it.
Yeah, mix it up, beat it up.
We have the corn flour
And celery sauce.
and we'll mix it.
Woohoo!
You're going to tell them what to do?
Now we're gonna put the chicken inside the corn flour.
We have the chicken here and it's ready. We'll put it in the egg and then in the breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna do this stuff. Here. Now the chicken nuggets is ready. My dad, he'll just fry them
with a little bit
of oil. Our chicken is delicious. You see it?
Yummy in my tummy.
Bye bye. Give some love to us.
Give some love to us.